everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or close your account for Coinbase. There might be times when you'd like to close your account for Coinbase. Whether you simply don't want to use Coinbase anymore or you need a break from Coinbase, keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and first make sure you're logged into your Coinbase account. In the web address bar, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Coinbase account. From the main homepage of Coinbase, go and click on the profile icon located at the top right hand corner. From the pop-up menu that appears at the right corner, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Activity from the top of the screen. Now scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see an option that says Close Account. If you're sure you'd like to close your account, first make sure that you'll need to have a zero balance in order to be able to close your account. If you have a remaining balance in any of your wallets, then you'll need to send your funds to an external wallet or to a fellow friends of yours who uses Coinbase. If you also have a Coinbase Pro account, remember that deleting your Coinbase account will delete your Coinbase Pro account as well. So make a wise choice whenever you are trying to delete an account. At the bottom of the page, click on the Close Account button. In the pop-up that asks you if you want to close your account, you'll need to type in the password associated with your account just to make sure that it is you who's deleting the account. After you're done typing in the password correct, click on the Close Account button in red. Wait for a few seconds. On the next page, scroll all the way down, and if you meet the requirement, you'll be able to close your account. Click on the Close My Account button at the bottom right, and that is how you'll be able to close or delete your Coinbase account right away. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.